So let's talk about AVAX. Its full name is Avalanche. It's sitting at $25 right now, 25.81. And I'm covering this coin after quite long because I don't remember when was the last time. I'm going to go and check when was the last time I have covered this coin. Meanwhile, if you're kind enough, if you could let me know in the comments, what do you think is going to be the all-time high of AVAX according to you in this bull run? I mean, according to you, if you think this is bull run, then what is going to be the all-time high in year of 2025? Okay, last time we talked about this thing was 21st of April. It did drop towards 16, formed a double bottom, now heading towards the resistance of 24. So that was April. We were aiming $24. Right now it's sitting at 25.8. Things have not changed that much as per the price, but of course from April a lot has changed. And what has changed is that recently we saw it going all the way down towards the area of $15, 15.5. Of course, right now it is looking like a champion because it looks like 100% move from $15 to $30. We always forget that it went from here to there. But the most important thing about Avalanche is that Avalanche on weekly, I'll first talk about long term and then I'll talk about short term. On long term, Avalanche has an extremely important structure, and that is a double bottom structure. You have one bottom, then you have a second bottom. It is a very clean structure. The neckline is at $25. So this means only one thing, that if Avalanche is able to capture this area of $25, right now it is closing its first candle above the area of 25. If it closes 2 daily candles above the area of 25, I would consider this area to be captured, and I would expect Avalanche to continue with the upward journey. And when we talk about upward journey, we are talking about going up and hitting some seriously high targets. And of course, the first target is always going to be $30. It's a psychological target, but I think that we will be aiming higher than that. And the exact number would be somewhere around $35. It's $36, but 35 is easy to remember. This is going to be the maximum delivery on this double bottom structure that we are looking at it from weekly's perspective. Even if you look at it from daily's perspective, if we look at this chart of Avalanche, it is still multiple bottoms. All this stuff is bullish, and again I would assume the area of support is, you can call it $25. It's 24, but let's call it 25. As long as it continues to hold 25, like I said, you can expect Avalanche to go up. Of course, from short-term perspective, our first target is $30. And that's pretty much it with AVAX. There is nothing else to add. From all perspectives, the area of $25 is of critical importance. If it closes 2 daily candles with the bodies above 25, get ready for the journey towards 35. It is going to happen in pieces, first 30, then 35. But if it loses $25, I think you should pretty much get ready for 20, then 15, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know what to do next. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.